I'll show you how to get your Verizon transfer PIN and account number step by step. Before we start, quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not affiliated with Verizon. This is simply a guide to help you find your own account details safely. All right, first thing you want to do is grab your phone and open the phone app. Dial #7678 and make the call. Once you do that, you'll see a message pop up on your screen. After the message appears, you can hang up the call. Next, open your Messages app, tap on Verizon Notifications, and open the link they sent you. That link will take you either to the My Verizon app or the Verizon website. Sign in using your credentials. That could be your password, PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Generate PIN. Tap it, and Verizon will show you both your transfer PIN and your account number. Keep in mind, this PIN is only valid for 7 days, so make sure to use it before it expires. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and share to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.